Sha'Carri Richardson's net worth in 2025, Olympic medals, career earnings and untold secrets revealed. Sha'Carri Richardson, firehead, nail art swinging, stare-down queen of the straightaway, has spent the last half-decade turning raw speed into a brand, on-track lightning and off-track headlines. By 2025 she's no longer just the viral sprinter from Dallas, she's an Olympic medalist, an investor advisor, and a walking business case in how modern athletes monetize personality as much as performance. Below is a creative, deep-dive portrait, part profile, part financial sleuthing, part gossip column flourish, of Sha'Carri's net worth story in 2025, where the money comes from, what it likely totals, and the lesser-known moves that built her balance sheet. 1. The headline numbers, what reliable sources say. Olympic hardware, Paris 2024 turned into a breakthrough for Richardson. She captured silver in the women's 100-meter and ran anchor on the U.S. gold medal 4x100m relay. Those Olympic results reset her marketplace value almost overnight. Estimated net worth. Public estimates in 2025 cluster in the low millions. Commonly reported figures center around $1 to $5 million, with several outlets citing roughly $4 million as a convenient midpoint. These numbers combine reported endorsement deals, appearance fees, prize money, and conservative valuations of assets or investments. Important, no single outlet publishes Sha'Carri's full books. These are informed estimates. Sponsorship and brand deals. Sha'Carri is prominently affiliated with Nike. Nike profiles and campaigns have featured her, and she has been linked in reporting to major consumer brands, Sprite, Beats, Oikos Kobana-type partnerships, Powerade style campaigns. Contract values publicly reported in tabloids and blogs, figures like $20 million, are widely repeated but not officially confirmed by Nike, and in some cases have been questioned by specialist sites. So, big brand deals are real. Headline dollar amounts vary by source and should be treated cautiously. New business role. In 2025, Richardson joined women-focused track startup Athlos as an owner advisor, a sign she's moving capital and influence into entrepreneurial ventures that could mature into equity value beyond pure endorsement checks. That stake or advisory role is material to her longer-term net worth story. Competitive reality check. 2025 world champ Sha'Carri remains elite, but the sprint landscape is shifting. At the 2025 World Athletics Championships, she placed 5th in the 100-meter final, a reminder that on-track earnings, prize money, are volatile and endorsements help stabilize income. 2. How Sha'Carri actually makes money. The revenue buckets. Think of her income as 5 stacked jars. Endorsements and brand campaigns, largest jar. Global brands pay for reach and attitude. Sha'Carri's style, social media following, and Olympic resume make her valuable for image-led campaigns. Nike's assets and campaign placements featuring her are visible publicly. Other deals, beverage, beauty, audio or tech, are widely reported. These deals often pay in a mix of guaranteed fees plus performance or activation bonuses. Appearance fees and media, moderate jar. TV spots, magazine covers, sponsored appearances and social posts, TikToks or Instagram make steady income. After Paris, appearance fees spike. Think 6-figure one-offs for major shows or paid brand activations in big markets. Prize money and competition earnings, small but visible jar. Track prize pools, Diamond League, Worlds, Gates or Grand Slams, are meaningful but small relative to top sport endorsements. A win at Worlds or a big Diamond League could yield tens of thousands to low 6 figures per season. Olympic medals don't pay huge direct sums from the IOC but unlock endorsement value. Equity, investments and advisory stakes, future upside jar. Her role with Athlos and other brand investments represent equity upside rather than immediate salary. This is where mid to long-term net worth appreciation can happen if these startups scale. Reuters' coverage of the Athlos role suggests she's shifting toward ownership, not just ambassadorship. Personal ventures and licensing, boutique jar. Merch, potential capsule fashion collabs, speaking tours, or future NFTs or collectibles could be bespoke revenue lines down the road. 3. The tricky truth about big reported deals, why some headlines exaggerate. You've probably seen dramatic claims. $20M Nike deal. Splashed across social feeds. A few things to remember. Brands rarely publish contract totals. Nike's public pages show her as an athlete partner and feature campaign assets, but they don't confirm headline fees. Tabloid-level figures often mix multi-year estimates, potential bonuses, image rights valuation, and pure speculation. Some track-focused watchdogs have pushed back on loud $20 million claims for earlier years. Bottom line, endorsement income is big and growing, but the exact headline numbers are not a single-source fact. Guaranteed versus potential pay. Contracts often have a base guarantee with add-ons for Olympic medals, campaign deliverables, sales-based bonuses, and activation costs. That's why some analysts give a range, e.g., $15M net worth, with possible future upside. 4. Best evidence-based estimate, my reason creative appraisal. Given the mix of Olympic silver plus relay gold in Paris 2024, which sharply increases marketability, visible Nike support and multiple consumer deals, typical elite sprinters prize or appearance patterns, and
Startup equity advisory signals. A reasonable, evidence-informed net worth estimate for Sha'Carri Richardson in 2025 is in the mid-single millions, commonly repeated as $4 million across several outlets that synthesize public deals and career earnings. That figure is not a bank statement leak, it's a credible public estimate that balances conservative valuations against credible endorsement activity. Again, treat it as an informed estimate, not an audited net worth. 5. Untold secrets and less visible value drivers, the stuff the tabloids miss. Cultural capital equals future negotiating power. Sha'Carri's persona and social reach give her leverage for non-traditional deals, fashion collabs, creative direction, limited-run product lines. That cultural capital can convert to disproportionate income later, beyond straight sponsorship checks. Equity beats cash, long-term. Her owner-advisor role at Athlos is the kind of move that, if the league or event scale, could be worth multiples of yearly endorsement cash, a classic athlete play to move from paid performer to owner. Reuters flagged this in 2025 reporting. Media and IP value. Documentary opportunities, production credits, or a personal brand venture, wellness line, coaching app, could tilt net worth upwards quickly, and these are often funded by investors who want athletes with proven cultural resonance. Volatility risk. Track earnings and public perception are volatile. A big win or a big controversy can swing headline valuations quickly. As with any celebrity, PR and legal troubles can dent near-term sponsorships. 6. A day in the life money snapshot, creative vignette. Imagine Sha'Carri's Monday in mid-2025. Morning shoots a 30-second Nike film vignette, one-day fee plus performance bonus in the campaign contract. Nike. Noon, virtual boardroom call with Athlos, equity vesting discussion, advising on athlete first prize structures. Reuters cameras note her owner-advisor title in May 2025. Afternoon, paid branded content post on Instagram for a beverage partner, guaranteed fee plus bonus if a promo code converts. Evening, light training, then a paid VIP appearance for a fashion host, six-figure appearance fee. 2 months ago she ran Olympic anchor leg, that relay gold still unlocks premium bookings. A week like that translates to mid to high six-figure seasonal cash flow outside of direct competition earnings, which is why endorsements dominate the net worth picture. 7. What could make her net worth explode, or fade? Boom scenarios. A string of global wins, World's Diamond League dominance, plus a major fashion or beauty anchor deal could push lifetime earnings into many millions quickly. Athlos or another equity bet scales equity that's currently modest could multiply in value. Bust scenarios. Prolonged injury, a major loss of sponsorship due to off-track scandal, or poor brand fit moves could reduce near-term cash flows. Sponsorships are often cancelable or renegotiable. 8. The human context, why her net worth matters beyond dollars. Sha'Carri's finances aren't just numbers, they're power, to influence, to start programs, to invest in community, to sponsor the next generation of athletes. The move into advisory ownership shows she's thinking beyond paychecks, she wants governance, control, and legacy. That shift from celebrity athlete to stakeholder could be the real story of her financial life, turning athletic capital into structural change for women's sport. 9. Quick checklist, sources that anchor this portrait. Olympic medals and Paris 2024 results, Olympics reporting and Team USA coverage. 2025 World Championships finish, Competitive context. AP Reuters coverage showing a fifth-place finish in Tokyo 2025. Nike public athlete pages and campaign assets shows sponsorship relationship, not contract dollars. Net worth estimates summarized by consumer outlets. Parade, Times of India, Essential Sports used to triangulate the $15M range, commonly quoted $4M. Estimate equals informed, not audited. Business role equity signaling. Reuters story on Athlo's owner advisors and Richardson's advisory owner role, important for long-term net worth. 10. Final creative verdict, short and punchy. Sha'Carri Richardson in 2025 sits at the intersection of athletic excellence and entrepreneurial ascension. Her official net worth, widely reported in the mid-single millions, is less interesting than the building blocks behind it. Olympic hardware that increased her bargaining power, major brand partnerships that pay big, though the exact numbers are sometimes speculative, and thoughtful moves into ownership and advisory roles that promise future upside. If money is a scoreboard, Sha'Carri's scoreboard reads good. But if legacy and influence are the true scoreboard, she's just getting started, spending endorsements to buy equity, and trading viral moments for lasting ventures. That combination is the real untold secret of her 2025 net worth. It's not only what she has today, but what she's positioned to own tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. Till next time.